talk?
He said just second.
Just a second.
Nope, too late. You had your chance. Party's over.
But we're not doing the emergency declaration.
We're on.
Okay, we will call this meeting to order. This is a special called meeting of the Boyle County Fiscal Court. And please know that we can only talk about what is actually on our agenda at this meeting. So we have Public Works Director Roger Johnson with us this morning, and he has a request for a purchase.
I have requested a purchase on a 2012 Super Duty F750 bucket truck.
Okay.
That
Motion
is
we approve.
very, very well
Second.
needed.
Now you can talk about it.
We have a motion by Magistrate Cullen, a second by Magistrate Ellis. Okay, go ahead.
I'm good.
And it's already in the budget.
And it's already in the budget.
Yes.
You know, we budgeted for that, and then it took us a little while to find one, and actually couldn't even find one in the state of Kentucky.
It's only one you can find. It's like a sole.
Yes.
Whoever we're buying from is a sole source.
Right, right. I mean, it was. I mean, I didn't even have anything to compare it to or anything. So.
I don't know if they're sole source,
Well,
but
Availability.
availability
Yeah,
is
that's what it
more
is.
as better word.
right.
Yeah.
Are these,
Not available.
are these like a diesel tractor? Do they have hours on them?
No, but it did have mileage. Let's see, the mileage was like
59 something.
59,000 on mileage, and it's actually a bucket truck with a chipper box on the back of it, so you know you can blow your chips right into the truck and haul them off that way. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 deal.
Yeah.
You know, so.
And the reason we have the special meeting is because they would not hold it for our regular meeting.
Regular
So,
meeting,
okay.
right. You know, of course, we had, you know, it's kind of one of those things, and I really appreciate y'all coming in and doing this. So.
Is he going to warrant it at any way at all?
Probably not any kind of warranty. Matt and Les, that's the reason I kind of brought them up there. If you had any questions about the truck, they went and looked at it and drove it and run the bucket and all that, and everything was all good. So
One-man bucket?
one-man bucket. Yeah.
With safety equipment and.
Well, we don't have all the safety equipment. It don't come with it,
Okay,
but you
but
know,
you
I
get
mean,
that.
that's another thing that we'll have.
But it's
to
got the
purchase.
hydraulics, right?
You're right.
Yes.
Yeah.
It has, you can run it from the ground or the bucket.
Or from the bucket.
Yeah, it's a clean shop. There's no leaks anywhere on it. Nothing's.
Nothing stood out to us.
Yeah.
We spent probably 30 minutes with the truck, working it, driving it.
Up underneath of it.
It's clean. For a bucket truck, it's clean because they have a rough life.
Well, we can use it for various things, but
Judge, what I would say, more for the public consumption of why we would spend $60,000 is not only storm damage on every variety of the 20 or 30 varieties of trees we have in this county, but in this county right now, I would estimate that we have hundreds, literally hundreds of dead ash trees, and we've had to rent, or excuse me, not rent, but contract out to a private sector corporation for $800 to $1,000 on some of those dead trees that are overhanging our roads all throughout the county, and that would only be our county roads because the state would be responsible for any of the state roads. But in theory, if you did 60 or 70 of those hundreds of trees, we would have already paid for this purchase.
All right. Before we vote on this, I need pay on delivery and tax and transfer.
Yep, that's
part
in
of
my
your
motion.
motion. Part of your
And
motion.
part of
Yes,
my
part of the motion. Okay.
Part of the motion.
Okay. I didn't hear that part.
Okay. So my understanding, we have the amount.
I
is
signed that part to you.
$60,215.
Yes,
Okay, we
ma'am.
have budgeted $75,000,
Yes,
so we're
ma'am.
well within the budget.
Yeah.
Okay, just to be clear on the motion, it is for a 2012 Ford Super Duty F750 bucket truck. We want to add payment on delivery and pay tax and license.
Yes.
All right, that's the motion that Jason made.
Yeah, along with a little cooler on the side.
Yeah.
All right,
I agree.
any other discussion?
Just wanna make sure they use their safety harness.
Yeah,
That's
well,
a must.
that's something we'll have to work on to
Yes.
get. And I mean,
Yes,
it's
when
got
you get
big, it's got big cabinets on it also where you can store, chainsaws and harnesses and
Right,
We've
I'll
got a
equip-
couple harnesses at the shop.
okay, good.
Okay,
That's the most
Yeah.
important.
Good deal.
all right,
Safety first.
yeah, exactly, I agree.
All right,
If you're in it,
any other discussion?
How high does this reach?
65 foot.
65 feet.
Okay,
Good.
So we can dangle Tom.
I can let you know some trees that are a danger.
We got several.
I'll email
We
you.
We got
several.
this started.
I think Madison Boulder's got the very first one.
That's right.
Yeah, yeah. Then I know where it's at. I done marked it.
Okay, good.
Darlene, are we missing anything?
I don't think so.
Okay, all right, Chris? Okay. All right, all those in favor of the motion signify by saying aye.
Aye.
Any opposed, nay? Motion carries.
Thank you all. Thanks for coming in today.
We need a motion to adjourn.
Make a
Second.
motion.
Okay, we have a motion by Magistrate Bodnar, second by Magistrate Cullen. Thank you. All those in favor, aye.
Aye.
Any opposed, no. Motion carries. We're adjourned.
Send those down. Send those down.
Okay.